You must have eaten Maggi many times, but try this version once. It's super quick and very tasty. Trust me, when I made this, everyone at home loved it. Do watch the full video, and if you like it, don't forget to like. Also, tell me in the comments how this recipe turned out. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel. To make this, I took a pan and added 2 finely chopped onions and 5 garlic cloves. Cook them until they are about 50% done and slightly golden. Now move the onions to one side and add 5 tomatoes. Add 3 green chilies and a little salt, then cover it. Cook it for 2-3 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Once soft, take them out and mash them. You can use a masher or spoon. Now mix everything well and add 1 glass of water. Add Maggi, break it before adding and cook for 2 minutes. See how tasty it looks. Garnish with coriander and jatude. Inus, try it.